YouTubers, this is going to conclude this Toro personal paste that I picked up for free or on a trade. There was a broken flywheel key in it. I did clean out the carburetor, wasn't that dirty. Put a different blade on, used one that was I sharpened, and I added a bag and a mulch plug and redid the recoil. I mean the pull cord. It was messed up. So here's going to be your final look and start. Let me get my third hand. Oh, and I added a new air filter. Forgot to mention that. I don't have the plug for that, but it doesn't matter. It's rear wheel drive. This Circa 2003 Toro personal pace, 6.5 horsepower Tecumseh engine. Accident, but just to conclude, that's it. And I did touch up paint the deck. It was horrendous. I found basically it's a Troy built red. I found that at Home Depot, or Lowe's, excuse me. So hopefully I'll get this going. I couldn't paint up here because I didn't want to paint over the sticker there, but anyway, later.